Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy. Today's topic is sequence and series, which is from class 12 mathematics. Here we go. Dear students, the question is find the nth term and sum to n terms of the given series 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 5 plus dot 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 dot. So dear students, in this question we are given a series. We have to find out the general term, or we can say nth term of the given series. Then next we have to find out the sum of the first n terms of the given series. Dear students, the given series is 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 5 plus dot dot dot. So at first we have to find out general term. General term, that means we have to find out Tn, nth term, Tn. So dear students, to find out the general term, or we can say nth term of the given series, each term of the given series is given as the product of the two numbers. So at first we'll find out the general term of the first number. That means we'll find out the general term of 1, 2 and 3 and so on. So dear students, 1, 2, 3. We know that 1, 2, 3 are in arithmetic sequence and they are the first n natural numbers. So dear students, 1, 2, 3 is in arithmetic sequence. 2 minus 1 we get 1, 3 minus 2 we get 1. If the common difference is constant, common difference means the difference between succeeding term and preceding term. So if the difference is constant, then the sequence is arithmetic sequence, or we can say the given series is arithmetic series. And we know that Tn, the general term of arithmetic sequence, is a plus n minus 1 times d. So dear students, a means 1, d means common difference. Common difference means t2 minus t1. t2 minus t1, that means 2 minus 1 we get 1. 1 plus n minus 1 into 1 we get n minus 1. After cancelling plus 1 n minus 1 we get n. So dear students, we have to keep in the mind that the general term, or we can say the nth term of the first n terms of the natural numbers, we can write directly as n. So Tn means n. So Tn means the nth term, that means the nth term of 1, 2 and 3. We can write as n. Now let's look at the second number, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 is also in arithmetic sequence because 4 minus 3 1, 5 minus 4 1, the common difference is same. So again, by using the formula Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d, we get the general term. So dear students, by following the same process, we get the general term of the sequence 3, 4, 5 and so on. A means 3, first term. Common difference is 4 minus 3, 1. So dear students, the question is very simple. 3 plus n minus 1. Now n as it is, 3 minus 1 we get 2. So the nth term of the numbers 3, 4, 5 is equal to n plus 2. Dear students, after finding the general term of the given series, we have find out the sum of the first n terms of the given series. That means we have to find out Sn. So let's find out the sum. Let's find out the sum of the given series. Sn. The sum of the given series Sn we can write as summation Tn, because general term already we have found. So in sigma notation, the sum of the first n terms of any given series is written as summation Tn. So dear students, Tn means n times n plus 2. N times n plus 2. So let's do simplification. N times n means n square. N times 2 means 2n. So after multiplying n plus 2 by n, we get n square plus 2n. So dear students, now we can break down this series into two parts because there are two terms. So if we break down, dear students, if we break down this into two parts, then we get summation n square plus summation 2n. So we have got two series. Now we have to apply the formula. We know that summation n square represents the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. Dear students, in the previous video already we have proved the formula of the sum of the first n natural numbers, the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. So if you have not watched the previous video, please watch it. So dear students, we know that summation n square means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, to n terms. So we know that the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers is given by the formula n times n plus 1 to n plus 1 over 6. So dear students, now by using the formula of summation n square, we get n times n plus 1, n times using the formula of summation n square, n times n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6 minus plus 2 times summation n. So this is we have to the coefficient we have to write down as it is 2 times summation 2 n means 2 times summation n. So distance, now we know that summation n means the sum of the first n natural numbers. Summation n means, dear students, we know that summation n means dear students, we know that summation n means, dear students, we know that summation n means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus to n terms. That means summation n represents the sum of the first n natural numbers, and it is given by the formula n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So we can write, so dear students, now we can write summation n means the sum of the first n natural numbers, which we can write as n times n plus 1, first part keeping as it is, the first part keeping as it is, 2 times summation n means n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is, in this exercise we have to remember the three important formula. The first one is the sum of the first n natural numbers. The second one is the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, and third one is the sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. So dear students, by using the formula of the sum of the squares of first n natural, we have got this expression, and again summation n means the sum of the first n natural numbers. Now next step, we have to take common. Dear students, n plus 1 over 2 and n plus 1 divided by 2 we can take common. At last we have to do simplification. Dear students, now if we take n plus 1 and n plus 1 divided by 2 common, then the remaining terms will be 2n plus 1 over 2 3 is 6 plus n plus 1 by 2 already we have taken common, so remaining term will be 2. Dear students, now n plus 1 divided by 2 keeping as it is. Now if we take 3 LCM, then 2n plus 1 again as it is, 3 2s we get 6. So dear students, now we have got now we have got n plus 1 divided by 2. Keeping as it is, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, 6 plus 1 we get 7, 2n plus 7 divided by 3. So dear students, finally we have got the solution of the given question. The solution is nn plus 1, 2n plus 1, 3 to the 6. So this is the sum to n terms of the given series. So dear students, if a series is given, if a series involving natural numbers is given, then at first we have find out the general term Tn, which we can find easily by using the formula of the general term of arithmetic sequence. We know that the formula of the general term of arithmetic sequence is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times t. So by using the formula of the general term of arithmetic sequence, we have got the general term of the given series, and after finding the general term we have to find out the sum to n terms, sum up to n terms of the given series. The sum up to n terms of the given series we represent by summation Tn. Then after putting the value and then using the formula, we get the required solution. So dear students, I hope that you have understood how to find the general term of any given series involving natural numbers and then find the sum up to n terms of the series. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.